Hello guys, this is day 6. Another day, another vlog.
I will go now to the site, guys. Direct. Guys, I realized something this morning. That it is good that you know how to drive. But it is better if you have knowledge, at least basic knowledge about your car. Like if there's problem, you can fix it. You don't need to be like mechanic to be very professional how to fix your car, but at least you know the basic things, like how to change your tire, like in times of emergency, like how to change your battery, how to put some coolant, how to check your car before you will drive, something like that, guys.
Pala for the past few days, medyo mababa yung output natin kasi nga sa weather ba. 'Di ba kahapon, yun nga, malulam. Buti today, medyo better yung panahon. See? Maaraw. I will just shout out Boyet Ocampo and King Daniel Ocampo from Carmona, Cavite, Ginalyn Penaranda from North Cotabato, and Romnick Gomez from Bacolod City. Shout out po sa inyong lahat. Guys, pala kung minsan dito sa site, medyo boring, ganun. Kapag meron kasing mga technical issues, yung mga yun hindi naman kayang isolve kung minsan dito. So, kailangan pang hintayin yung mga manufacturer, yung mga technical people para masolve yung problem. Kapag walang problema dito sa PV area, guys, na i-maintain, kapag walang trabaho, so medyo nakaka-boring talaga, guys. Minsan, guys, nagpupunta lang ako dito sa PV area, ganun. Minsan, kakaramdam ka ng homesickness, ganun, gusto mong umuwi. Pero hindi naman kasi ganun kadali. Guys, kapag yung hindi healthy yung mental health mo, connect ka sa nature. O kaya sa mga dogs, cats, ganun. Or do the things that will make you happy. Try mo yun. Hindi rin talaga madali, guys. We are all in the same boat. May mga problems na dadating and hindi mo naman yun maiiwasan. Kung sana kaya mong i-schedule yung problema, diba? Hindi naman. It will come naturally and you have to be strong para malabanan yung mga pagsubok ng buhay. And hanggat may buhay, may pag-asa, diba? Tsaka patuloy lang manalig sa Panginoon.
Guys, pabalik na tayo ng bahay for lunch. Kapag walang lunch, magluluto na lang tayo, guys. Mahirap na, diba? Siyempre, para di ka magutom, magluto ka. Nandito na tayo, guys. So, let's see kung meron ba tayong lunch. So, atcha, let's go.
Guys, nasa bahay na ako. So, si Lojang daw magluluto siya ng lunch para may makain naman kami. Tanan! Wala pang pagkain. Guys, habang nagluluto si Lojang, naglabada muna ako. Kailangan natin kumita ng ekstrang pera ba? So, naglalabada ako sa sarili ko. Binabayaran ko na lang yung sarili ko. Guys, nilabas ko yung mga damit para maarawan. So, nagtatawag na si Lojang, kakain na daw kami. Kain tayo, guys!
Guys, dark chocolate kayo dyan. So, we are on the way back to the site. Let's go!
Guys, we are here now in the site. It's too hot, no? You can see. So that means our energy is better. So the generation is better. Guys, at this time, I don't have workers in the PV area anymore. They finished their target this morning. So we only have operators and electrical engineers inside the office. They're the ones who are monitoring the system. Guys, it's really hot outside. Like you cannot stand here for too long time. After some time, you will really go back to the office. It's a bit boring, and like there's time that full day there's no work, but there's really a time that too much work. Like you will go back to house a little late, like later than the closing time. Guys pala, I will speak in English, ha? Pagpasensyahan nyo na yung English ko. I'm not good in English, but I will try to speak in English for the whole video because I'm getting some problem putting subtitles. It's really taking time, like consuming too much time. And you know, I have this daily vlog challenge. I need to edit and upload at the same day, the same time. So, pagpasensyahan nyo na yung English ko, guys, ha? Boy! Boy! Uday is doing sunbathing because it's cold, ha? Uday!
Ma,
What happened?
it's cool.
It's cold.
Ah.
You're crazy. Guys, I'm going now. Guys, unfortunately, my car key is not working remotely and my car is not starting. Guys, Lojang wants to change, but this battery is big. So you see, it cannot fit. Guys, it's not yet fixed. So maybe we will buy a new battery because there's no battery that is fit. Lojang is thinking something else. Guys, gumana na. So, kailangan ko niyang bumili ng battery now.
A few minutes later.
Guys, di pa tayo nakakakita ng battery, ah. Medyo mahirap din kasi talagang maganap dito, guys, ng mga car parts.
Few moments later.
Guys, I found, they will change it. This one is good battery, ah.
Yeah.
Boy, what are you saying? Huh?
I said this one will take it to 15 years.
He's saying the battery will take up to 15 years, huh?
Yeah.
I will come back here if my battery will last only up to 1 year, huh? You change it free for me, huh?
No problem. I say anything concern your car, Toyota Hilux.
Ah,
Come here, I have all the parts. So
Okay.
anything, no problem. I have
how much for the battery?
the battery is 3,200, but for you I'm gonna make it 3,100.
Ay, Jerry Jeff. Why?
Yes.
Guys, finally, we found the battery. So, the price is okay. Last time, our driver said he bought it 2,800. But, that is last year. But this guy, he sold it to me around 3,100. I get 100 discount. It's supposed to be 3,200. Guys, nasa bahay na tayo. So, magluluto akong dinner. So guys, I'm preparing the ingredients for pancit. Guys, we ran out of rice. So I will cook noodles. Guys, magluluto din pala si Laudiang, ha? Feeling ko guys, nanay na ako, ha? Pagkagaling mo ng work, kailangan mo intindihin yung mga anak mo. Kailangan mo silang ipagluto ng kakainin nila. Guys, ayan pala yung pin-prepare ni Laudiang mo. So, magluluto siya. Ako naman din magluluto, pero pansit nga. Saka, ayan o, gulay. Pero nag-defrost ako ng mais. So, I will cook that one also. Guys, kayo rin ba napapaiyak ng sibuyas? I hope sibuyas lang yung nagpapaiyak sa inyo, walang iba. So guys, let's start to cook. So guys, umpisa na natin tong kalokohan na to. Guys, magluluto din pala ako nung, di ko alam yung sa Korean restaurant ba, yung isosotay mo lang siya sa batter, tapos lalagyan mo siyang cheese sa ibabaw. I will try that one! Ping, 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 ping! Parang Chef Boy logo lang, no? Guys, mabilis ang luto lang, ha? Guys, ayun na yung pansit natin. So, yung mais na lang yung iluluto ko. Kain na guys! Kain tayo! Guys, tapos na pala kaming mag-dinner. Masarap pala yung combination ng pansit tsaka ng mais na may cheese na ginisa sa butter. So, itry nyo yun guys. Masarap pala siya. So, that's all for today guys. Bukas ulit. So, always remember, don't forget that you are amazing. Bye-bye!